लड़कियां कितनी गॉसिप करती है ना।
अरे मुझे कैसे मालूम ये सब क्यों का?
कचर 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 कचर.
Did you know that there is also a mythological root relating gossip to women? In Mahabharata, when Pandav's mother Kunti hid from her sons that Karan was their brother whom they slayed in the war, Yudhishthir, the eldest of the Pandavas, cursed womanhood that they will never be able to keep a secret. And hence, gossiping is seen as a curse on women. But क्या सिर्फ लड़कियां gossip करती हैं? No. Gossiping is something that comes very naturally to every human. Yes, men gossip too, but the patriarchy led by men believe that कि जब लड़के gossip करते हैं, it is due to important reasons. And when women do it, it's because they are jobless and they can't keep secrets. First of all, let me tell you that psychologists do not define gossips as a negative term only. They rather define gossip as a talk about people who are not present there. चलो देखते हैं कि गुड और बैड गॉसिप क्या होता है। बैड गॉसिप होता है जब तुम किसी को डिमीन करते हो, किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ को जज करते हो, जजमेंट्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सोशल स्टीरियोटाइप्स, स्प्रेडिंग नेगेटिव रूमर्स अबाउट समवन. So what's positive gossip then? First is when it's about sharing verified information. Consider that you have a crush on somebody and you want to know how that person is. Will that person be good for you? It is in the space of gossiping that you will ask the third person who knows your crush to share some information about them. And this can be applied to many other situations like finding out information about an employer before joining them. So gossip can be a space where trusted people share verified information to people, not because they are interested in poking nose in others' life, but because it is important information to know. Second is gossiping about social issues. Talking about cases of violence against women and how people around them are reacting to it. Discussing how a neighbor is facing domestic violence, harassment, and making themselves aware that it is all wrong. It becomes a space for women to shed their hesitations and restrictions and speak up what they think is wrong and unlearn the social stereotypes they have been internalizing for so long. Number third is gossiping as a medium to build stronger relationships. It is no hidden fact that all of us have complaints and grudges against the people in our lives. So is it harmful if we vent out our dissatisfaction with people to someone we trust? Gossiping is good if the stress is on listening, understanding, and then giving constructed advice, arguments, and conclusions. Is gossip a waste of time? Not always. Feinberg explains gossip helps calm the body. Another research shows that gossip is a highly evolved social skill and that a lot of time gossip is neutral. But if you're gossiping negatively, then yes, it is a waste of time. So what can you do if someone tries to do negative gossip with you? How do you get out of that situation? First, make a distinction between what counts as gossip and what doesn't. Talking about how a person treated you rudely, that's not gossip. But if the conversation is about someone's choices, then yes, it's a gossip. And when someone tries to talk to you like that, try and steer the conversation in another डायरेक्शन. कोई तुम्हें किसी के बारे में कुछ नेगेटिव चीजें बता रहे तो तुम उसके बारे में कुछ पॉजिटिव चीजें बोलो ताकि दैट पर्सन फील्स डीमोटिवेटेड टू कंटिन्यू द बिचिंग. नाउ व्हाई शुड यू डू दैट? बिकॉज यू नो हाउ टू माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. कितना बेटर नहीं होगा कि अगर तुम अपना इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम अपनी लाइफ इंप्रूव करने में लगाओ दैन थिंकिंग अबाउट कि दूसरे लोगों को अपनी लाइफ या अपने मॉरल्स कैसे इंप्रूव करने चाहिए. एंड व्हाइल यू आर डूइंग दैट, ट्राई टू कट डाउन ऑन योर कंजम्पशन ऑफ ट्रैशी न्यूज अबाउट celebs. Read more stuff that will keep you up to date on important issues. Focus on the things that matter. So yes, gossip can be toxic and meaningless. And even though it can give you pleasure या तुम्हारा time pass हो जाता है gossip करके, in the long run, it has no meaning. So इसलिए important है that you do positive or neutral gossip. So gossip away, but for the right reasons. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.